So let us now move on to commands that aren't really to the whole unit, instead to one of the outputs. So for example, this is an 8x8 matrix. So let's go ahead and add 8 input commands. And I'll try to do this as fast as possible. So we'll do 8 input commands, but we'll also do a mute toggle command, a volume up command, a volume down command, because we have the incremental controls, of course, and then even the command that's for that's 00 through 99, right? So here's we'll do a mute toggle, like I mentioned. We'll do a volume plus, a volume minus, and you see it's organizing these by the action ID, the lower number at the top, because I have it filtered that way. And we'll also do a volume with a parameter, which means it could be any value, 00 through 99, or any value beyond that, actually. I'll teach you all about that. So starting with the input commands, input 1, let me just quickly name that. And what does the command look like? What does the command? It was, as we saw here, SPO XXSYY. So output XX, that's going to be 0, 1, and select input YY. So we have SPO 0, 1 for output 1, select input YY. So YY in this case is input 1, isn't it? Copy that with Control C and Control V. I'm able to do that, or any of the Windows shortcut commands or keystrokes. Okay, and output 8. Okay, now these are the commands, and I could actually go ahead and test these commands as well. So we clear that window out and say output 1, select source 1, go ahead and send it. Let me exit my terminal mode here, and now test the function. There we are. Output 1, select source 1, back to source 8. There we are. And everything's working on the face of my my MXA 8x8 Pro. I see the lights moving for me as they should. So how does the volume up look? Well, let me give it my own name for volume up and volume down. We'll do the mute toggle. Let's give it a short name. I'm fine with that. And a volume. This is going to be a variable level command. So what do these commands look like? Without spending a lot of time going into the document again, it's SPOXX, so output 1 in this case, audio volume YY for the level, or up for U for up, and SPO 0, 1. Audio volume down. How about our muting command? AVM, SPOXX AVM, as audio video mute, enable, disable, or toggle. So we want T for toggle. So I'll test the mute, and on the face, there we are, we get my confirmation, and on the face of my MXA, I get confirmation by seeing, so it does a nice thing, it tells you, or shows you 1, 2, 7, and 8 on the LEDs. So the outer bookends are illuminated, so you can look at the face of the matrix and actually see that the volume is muted in case you thought you had a problem. I toggle that state, and my LED lights return to normal, and it says done, confirming that.